Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are dividing into fundamentals of building blocks of Python programming, variables and data types. These concepts are essential for storing and manipulating data in your programs. Alright, I believe you're asking yourself, what is a variable? Imagine a variable as a container that holds value. You can give this container a name, and you can store different types of data inside it. In Python, variables are used to store various kinds of information, from numbers to text and even more complex structures. Data types. Data types Python has several built-in data types that determine the kind of data a variable can hold. Let's explore some of the most common ones. Numeric types like int, like integers or natural numbers or negative. Float is floating point numbers that have decimals. Or complex, like complex number, like 2 plus 3g, let's say. Sequence types. List, order collection of elements. Tuple, order collection of elements. str, sequence of characters. Mapping types, dict, unordered collection of keys, value pairs. Set types, set, unordered collection of unique elements. Frozen set, unordered collection of unique elements. Boolean type. Boolean is only an answer for true or false value. Right, after you have defined variables and data types, let's create some variables and assign different data types to them. Like, you can store for x a value of 10. After we said, this is an integer, or we can say as an int. Alright, let's give y a value of 3.14. This is classified as a float. Also, you can store names by the function of string, like name equal Alice. This is classified as a string. str. Now, let's go for list. Like you have some listing and you need it to be stored in something. It's called list. Let's give a fruit. A list of, let's talk about apple and orange. Now this is called list, as said. Now for dictionary, can store multiple like name, age, numbers, etc. Let's call it person. As a tip, be careful for the brackets. It may vary. Let's call it name. Be careful for what you put between them. Let's call this Bob. Alright, this is classified as dictionary. Right guys, after you know how to create a variable, you need to know how to use it. Alright, you can use it to perform operations like plus, multiplication, addition, etc. you can print its value or assign it to other variables. For example, x is the value of 10. If we print x, you'll see that the number 10 is printed because x is stored the number 10. Alright, let's talk about floating point numbers that have decimals at the same operation. Let's 10.4, let's say that 3.4, 4.4, and you printed y. You'll see that x is printed before y according to when you put the print. Alright, now you can perform operations by printing them into the terminal. Y, let's give it a value of 20. Let's say print x times y. You will see that 10 is multiplied by 20. It's 200. Let's talk about addition. Now you see that x plus y equals 30. This is a simple operation. Now you can use this for creating a calculator. Now you can also store the operation by also a variable. Let's say result equals x plus y. Now let's print result. Let's print result. You'll see also the answer is 30. Let's say multiplication, it's also 200. Let's talk about floating number. 3.14, let's say 10 times 3.14 equals 31.4400. You don't know how to know the answer. That's addition. It's 13.14. In this video, you conclude that variables and data types are fundamental concepts in Python programming. By understanding how to use them effectively, you can create powerful and flexible applications. The next video will delve deeper into specific data types and their operations. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. For more Python tutorials, see you in the next video.